Hi, it's Annelie. Today I'm going to use my molds. As I said in a previous video, I buy these online. If you live in South Africa, you can just ask me where, and they're on Facebook as well, so you can just find them there. I'm going to use a boxed canvas, a wooden one. I like to use these when I do a little bit of texture paste and stuff, and I'm going to use tin lids. Just ordinary tin lids. You can use anything that you want. And I'm going to use my acrylic sealant. So I'm going to put a stencil on top of this, and then I will let me just see. I think this one is almost empty. I'm just going to use a stencil, and I'm going to put it on top of the whole thing. I want to place my lids there, so you can just watch me as I do this. Pour yourself a nice cup of tea and sit back and relax. I just want to get some more texture out, texture paste. Just going to pick it up on the side of my palette knife, or you can use anything, a rubber squeegee or anything for this process. And then I'm just going to, oh yeah, there I made a mistake, but don't worry, we can fix anything we like. So I'm just going to put my texture paste on top of this whole stencil. You have to hold it pressed down very firmly for the beginning. When it starts to stick onto your board, you can be less careful. see the gold? It gives us just a touch of more richness for me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked, please like and subscribe. I would love if you subscribe and hit that bell and watch my future uploads. You must have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.